You want to grab the weights from the rack and you can just sit with them on your lap to start. Sit up nice and straight, shoulders back and down. We got to kick them up one leg at a time. You got to use your legs to bring it back. So see how she did it? And then lie down with your arms straight. Plant your feet in the floor nice and strong. You want to tuck your shoulders down. Very important. Keep the dumbbells over the center of your chest. And when you go down, I want your elbows and wrists lined up with the center of your chest. Perfect. Go down as far as your elbows, go slightly under your shoulders, come out to a 90-degree angle, then come straight up and squeeze your chest without touching the dumbbells. Go ahead, breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Keep your wrists nice and straight, have a nice controlled motion. When you go down, another thing you want to make sure you don't do is lift your elbows up. A lot of people go down, their elbows will come out, shoulders go out of place, you end up in the injury fix section. We don't want that. So shoulders are down, right up above the center of your chest. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Watch when she comes down, her elbow is right in the center of her chest. It's not back here or forward, and she's not moving around. She's keeping her abs tight. And look at how far down she's going. Here's her shoulder. Bam, right there. About that much under the shoulder. So you get a slight stretch in the chest, and then you come up and squeeze that chest. Good.